In order to be able to use intelliDivide with your saw, you must first register the saw with Tapio. To do this, sign in to Tapio and, under Machines, click on Add. Enter the details of your HOMAG saw that you would like to register with Tapio. As soon as the registration with Tapio has been successfully processed, the status changes from pending to active. Now you can use the saw with intelliDivide. The saw automatically transfers its technical data to intelliDivide so that the optimization result can be precisely tailored to it. In the same way, intelliDivide transfers the optimization results you choose directly to the machine. You can register any number of saws and later select them in intelliDivide. Transfer the result of an optimization to your saw as follows. Click in the list on the optimization you would like to transfer. After selecting the appropriate result, you transfer it via the cloud directly to your saw. You can, of course, also print the results or download them locally so as to use them later.